friends! Today we color the letter A. A is for apple. Let's color it together. Let's start with the stem. We use brown for the stem. The stem connects the apple to the tree. Through the stem, the apple gets food and water from the tree so it can grow big and healthy. Coloring the leaf. Now, let's color the leaf green. Leaves are very important. They help the tree breathe and make food with the help of sunlight. That process is called photosynthesis. So, the leaf is like a tiny kitchen for the tree. Coloring the apple. And now the most fun part, the apple. Let's color it bright red. Apples can also be green or yellow. They taste sweet, juicy, and are full of vitamins. That's why apples are known as a healthy fruit that keeps our bodies strong. We finished coloring the letter A and our apple. Remember, friends, A is the first letter of the alphabet. And A is for apple. Apples are full of vitamins that make us healthy, give us energy, and keep our smiles bright. So, don't forget to eat fruits every day to stay strong and happy. A. E.